So you're sick and tired of losing money, not knowing what stocks to buy, and fearing the next stock market crash, which could be right around the corner. But then it hits you. Shouldn't there be a place where you can buy the best stocks, know exactly where to buy those stocks, and get alerts sent straight to your phone, so you never miss out on the next home run stock? Not only that, but it should also be super easy so that you don't feel overwhelmed or confused. Imagine being able to find stocks that consistently beat the market. Be told the best place to buy those stocks so that you actually make money and get sent instant alerts on your portfolio and alerts before a stock market crash. Well, welcome to the Impeccable Stock Software, the only place on the internet where you can stop guessing and start making money in no time. With us, it's all super simple. We show you everything you need to know in an easy to understand way so that all you need to do is buy the stock, sit back, and make money. What used to take hours to do, like reading company financials, calculating the ratios, interpreting the stock chart, and sifting through decades of historical data, now only takes seconds. Imagine what you could do with all the free time you now have. Find more stocks, spend time with your family, or sit down and watch a movie because you deserve it. Check it out, the Impeccable Stock Analyzer. This is the missing ingredient that will help you make more money, protect your portfolio, and save you time. With a simple click of a button, you instantly have access to everything you wanted to know, like where you should buy the stock, how high you can expect the stock to go, and what your risk to reward is. But that's not all. Wouldn't you like to know how long the stock takes to hit that profit target? What about the probability that the stock will actually make money? Well, don't worry, we got you covered. The Impeccable Stock Analyzer shows you all that and more. The algorithm behind the software is based around market psychology, statistics, and the principles that have been used by the financial sector, hedge funds, and commodity trading firms across the world for decades. They have kept this system a secret from the public because they are scared that you won't need them when you discover the truth. Trust me, no expense was spared to create this software, aka what the world will eventually know as the best stock market software on the planet. Now, you may be saying, dang, these are some bold claims. Where's the proof? I don't blame you. I'd be asking the same thing myself. All right, here's Vags. He made 11.6% in his first month using this trend strategy that the software implements. Here's another student. He said, dude, your software is insane. 10% in a week. This other student here is up 12% on the day, and it's amazing. He said software is amazing. Absolutely love everything about it. Awesome. Thank you. Thanks to your software, I'm in BA, CHGG, and ZM, and I know where my stop loss and take profits are. I have about a 5% unrealized gain. Loving it and excited. Found this stock and then checked it out with your software, listed as a great buy. Bam, two days of holding, a 14.38% return. Thanks, Austin. I really appreciate the assistance. Also, the value in the Analyzer Screener and Portfolio Manager is simply unmatched. I loved FinViz, but I can tell that over time, your Screener and Analyzer are going to continue to improve and provide so much value. Dude, thank you so much for the software. It's amazing. I was one of the few that first bought in, and it's paying off. Almost back up and covered all my losses. This is insane, right? And then another student who said, wow, the Analyzer is awesome. It's a game changer for sure. This other user showed me the 3 stocks that he bought using the software about 3 weeks ago, and he's already up 26%, 15%, and 27% on those stocks. He said, I changed my strategy to work with the screener that the software uses, and I'm already reaping the rewards. That's amazing, right? Right on the money. I entered this morning at a great buy alert, and now he's up almost 37%. Hey, Austin, I bought one of your recommended stocks from the software last week, and today it shot up 50%. Just want to say thank you and keep up the good work. And now this is what I love. Now this comment right here, the reason why I got into this business, why I love the software, why I love teaching finance is because the whole financial sector makes it hard, it makes it complicated, and makes it confusing, but I do my best to make it super simple, and that's what this user says right here. He says, I love how simple it is. 5 minutes while I'm at work is more than enough. Please do an app next. We are working on that. He says, amen, thanks a bunch. The site is awesome. 3 exclamation points. I love how the comments are not robot-like or one-liner. It's as if I got an instant reply from you here. Guys, it's like having an on-call financial advisor, and that's exactly what this is for literally a fraction of the price, since financial advisors cost like $3,000. Okay, now my lawyer is requiring me to tell you that past performance is not indicative of future performance and that I'm not a registered financial advisor. But you already know that, because if I was, I would be trying to charge you $5,000 to build a portfolio for you. Fun fact, stock analysts are only right 51% of the time. So should you really be paying $3,000 to $5,000 for a 50-50 bet? I want it. I mean, this software already has a built-in portfolio creator. Just take a simple 10-question quiz and get a portfolio of stocks recommended to you based on your risk tolerance level. These stocks included in your portfolio recommendation have consistently beat the market, and a lot of them also pay dividends, aka free money. Not only that, but the software has one of the best stock market screeners in the financial world. The screener allows you to find stocks based on recommendation, accuracy, how long the stock will be a buy, and so much more. There is no other software available to the public that can do this. Also, the software has an average accuracy rating of 82%, meaning that any stock you invest in, on average, has an 82% success of making at least a 7% return. Again, the analyzer actually breaks down the accuracy for each stock you look up, so it's super awesome to see, with an average potential profit per stock of 17%. Anyways, enough about me talking about how this software can increase your returns, decrease your risk, save you time, and make you feel like a superhero by giving you more control and confidence over your investment decisions. What are you going to get when you buy this software? Well, you're going to get the Impeccable Stock Analyzer, which shows you everything you wanted to know at a click of a button. Want to know where to buy, where to sell, where to set your take profit, the accuracy of that stock, and so much more? Just click a button and you know in seconds. The Impeccable Screener. This allows you to find the best stocks that are likely to explode in literally minutes by just setting the filters you want and then clicking search. Instant Portfolio Creator. Take a simple quiz and get the best stocks recommended for you. Email and text alerts. Why should you be spending your time staring at the screen, wasting your time, getting emotionally drained when all you need is to get sent email and text alerts that you know exactly what to do with your portfolio and get alerted to stock market crashes before they happen? We also have the StockFlix video training library. So if you want to learn more about how the stock market works and why it moves, well, we have that. It's like Netflix for stocks, and you get access to it for free with the software. Not only that, I do weekly live Q&A calls with my students to answer any of your questions. A total value of literally $9,997. Guys, but you can get started now for either the basic, monthly, or whatever, for $27, $47, $67 a month. Guys, the better part is, guess what? You don't even have to pay that right now. There's a 7-day free trial, no credit card required. So if anything that I said in this video interested you, or if you want to at least build a great portfolio, click the button below, sign up for your 7-day free trial, and check out these features right now. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. And if not, it's a free trial. How much can it hurt? All right, guys, sign up now before it's too late, because I don't always offer a 7-day free trial. Thank you so much for staying tuned. Can't wait to see you inside the software and on the next live Q&A call.